What's up, friends? Welcome to my day in the life. If you're new, I'm Christy. I'm a mom of 5, and today is going to be a super duper productive day. We've got homeschooling, 5 kids going on. I've got lots of loads of laundry to do and fold and wash and dry. My husband is in the garage building some shelves, so at some point I'm gonna have to go in there and help him start organizing. And today is a big day because we're gonna be revealing our pool build. Finally, it took about 5 months to build, and I'm finally ready to show you. I want to say thank you to our sponsor, Green Chef. Girls, getting your work done?
Yeah.
Okay. Lily, getting your work done? Okay, get it done.
Okay.
Pick up your pencil and start writing, okay? It's right there in your book. Pick it up. Start writing, please. Thank you. Make sure all your missing assignments are done, please.
Yes, Mom.
I need to go outside and help Ed in the garage. He's building shelves and it's a mess. So I really need to dedicate like an hour to that before I move on. We got a pool chair in the mail, so I gotta put that in the pool. I can't wait to show you guys the pool. Okay, it is definitely feeding time for mommy and daddy. Thank you so much to Green Chef for sponsoring today's video. I'm really excited to be cooking a new dish today. I'm in the mood for like a big, fat, juicy, cheesy cheeseburger, and luckily Green Chef has some healthier options. I'm gonna be making a Greek feta burger. If you are not familiar with Green Chef, it is a USDA certified organic company. Dishes for a variety of lifestyles, including vegan, vegetarian, paleo, and keto. Green Chef is now owned by HelloFresh to offer a wider array of meal plans to choose from. There really is something for everyone, and I love switching between the brands for whenever my tastes change or whenever I want to try a little something different. Ingredients come pre-measured, perfectly portioned, and mostly prepared. Recipes are so quick and easy with step-by-step instructions, chef tips, and photos to guide you along. Knowing that I have a Green Chef meal in my refrigerator for dinner really just helps my mom brain be relaxed and focus on my tasks that I need to get done throughout the day without worrying about what's for dinner. With 5 kids, it really does work around my lifestyle. Green Chef is the most sustainable meal kit, offsetting 100% of its direct carbon emissions and plastic packaging in every box. I was able to snag a crazy good deal for all of my subscribers since I partnered up with Green Chef. Go to greenchef.us/90Christy and use my code 90Christy to get $90 off, including free shipping on your first box. That's right, $90 off. Click the link below and do not forget to use my code. Thanks again, Green Chef, for sponsoring today's video. try the burger. Is it good? Oh my god, I can't even catch my breath. Okay, I'm gonna finish eating and then we're gonna go outside and check out the pool. Guys, it is finally time to show you our pool. We've been working on this for 5.5 months now and we're super proud of it and we're really excited to show you. Here it is. Here is our beautiful pool. We obviously have some landscaping still to do, but we are so obsessed. We have been out here every night with the fire, just like chilling and listening to the waterfalls. Oh my gosh, it is so beautiful. We're really happy with all of our decisions. Like, look how the water glistens on the top. I just love it. This is our little chill area that I've been talking to you guys about. We call it our Cabo area. It is only, I think, like 8 inches where we could just sit and chill. We opted to do everything and not regret it. So we got the in-floor cleaning system, which cleans, like that's what these little things are. They automatically pop up on a timer and they clean the floor. So it makes it really easy to maintain. We got some steps going down into the deep and it goes all the way to about only like 5.5, 6 feet, I think. And then you can see the pool cleaner is working here. And then we've got a bench here. Hi, girls. Hi, we're showing our pool. Do you guys love your pool?
Yeah.
What do you love about it?
I love it because the water.
The water?
Yeah.
What do you love, G?
Because you get to sit in the shallow end, and this is the deepest end, and because you can swim, you can go on that little bench over.
Oh yeah, I forgot. There's a bench. Oh. Okay, I'm back. I had to change my battery. Yeah? Alright, so back to the pool. We got these white chairs at IKEA. We've had them for a while and they actually do really well inside of the water. And we got a few more over there. I did order a brand new set for here. It's coming soon, so there'll definitely be like a backyard full makeover within the next month or so. We're gonna put more turf here, some stepping stones, so we're gonna extend this turf so there's more play area for the kids. Some really,
I don't like the sand.
you know, I know, we're gonna get more turf. There's gonna be some cool decorative stepping stones here all along. There's gonna be turf along here and a whole nother sitting area with a shade cover. And I guess now it's time to show you what this baby does. So everything is automations. I don't know if you can see. I know you can't see, but Everything is on an automated system from my phone. I'm able to turn on the different features. Here they come.
Whoa! Whoa! And guys, at night it glows.
Yes, it glows. We're gonna show them at nighttime also because we installed lights. So we have little bubblers here, and then we have these waterfalls over here that are called shears. There they go. There's the bubblers. Marble wall here that we just love. It's so pretty. It's so our style, and it matches the kitchen counter. We're gonna have so much fun out here this summer, girls. So much fun. So we can actually make the bubblers go higher. So this is the pool. I can't believe it's done. Lots of hard work. Lots of budgeting and time management and saving money. We finally made our dream come true of our dream pool. We loved it. And we did BYOP, which means we built our own pool. Like, we hired our own contractors and pulled our own permits, things like that. So we were able to save so much money by doing it that way. A lot of companies overcharge.
Guys, see, this is burnt.
It got burnt. How did it get burnt?
But it doesn't hurt.
Oh, okay. Yep, so maybe about 3 weeks or so, you're gonna see the entire makeover of the entire backyard. And if you guys are new, we actually built this 50-foot patio cover about a couple months after we moved in, and we still need to install 3 different fans here. And then we have a big project that we're going to be doing over here. We're going to put a huge floating wall here to close off this area with the fireplace and a huge TV, so we can put some tables and chairs or a little couch here with a rug and a table. So this is kind of like an extended living room where we can watch football and you know, just hang out here, maybe have dinner out here with the fireplace. We love how our yard is turning out. And if you guys haven't seen this, it's a hot tub. It's a blow up one we got from Amazon. It was only like $600, I believe, and it was worth every stinking penny. Saved us like 18 grand by doing a gas line and doing like a hot tub over there, which was in our original design. It saved us $18,000 just to get this. Like, this thing is amazing for date nights. This is the perfect relaxation for every single night. I'll put a link below if you guys are interested. I have a good deal for you down below. So that's it. That is our pool reveal. I'm so excited to be sharing it with you guys. We are going to have endless fun every single day this summer. I'm really excited to share it with the kids and Ed and our family and our neighbors and all of our new friends here in Vegas. And we'll definitely have lots of family time, vlogs out here for you guys. Thanks so much for watching. I will see you in the next one. Bye, guys.